Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. We'll be playing Rec Room and we'll be playing Autopsy of Jane Doe. This is my good friend, that one Rec Trooper, or Joseph. And then over here is Grandma, or Elsie. Also, that one Rec Trooper will also be recording, so I'll put a link in the description for him. And let's get started. So...
Alright, let's do it.
Just saying, this is a horror game, so if you get scared easily, you may want to click off the video.
Yep.
I forgot, Grandpa always locks the door. See, just follow Grandma. Grandma knows where they keep the spare key. Grandpa keeps locking us out. Yeah, let's just go through the basement. Invite us to the basement. I think this game is going to be quite fun, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Oh, we forgot to put Joseph in our party, so if you just give him a quick second. Party up. Right, come on. Oh, I think I bought this out. Oh no, I didn't. Down here, guys.
Looks like an asylum. Crazy asylum.
It kind of looks like an asylum where each one of these is a white padded room.
Hey,
That
it's
doesn't
Austin.
work.
I'm really sorry about calling you in this late, but I don't know what else
hey.
to do. With my father being sick and having to be at the hospital all day. I really do appreciate it. It should be a rather simple night, and it's been a relatively slow one. Although there is a task that must be finished by tomorrow morning. Sheriff Burke wrote in an interesting woman no one could identify, and they need a cause of death for the press tomorrow. Head to the office and grab the key, then come on back and find our freezer. After that, I'll get you through the next steps.
Come on. The office is to the right over. The office is to the right, isn't it? No, I wouldn't go in the elevator yet.
Alright, let's find her freezer.
Yeah. Well, at least we're available to help. So how come you guys are up this late? I was just watching some YouTube videos.
Well, work has to be, you know.
Oh yeah, just saying, guys.
Oh, don't worry about those bells. They're there to make sure the ones who are down stay down. We wouldn't want a dead man walking there
Over
with
there.
me.
It's this one.
Sweet. Go grab the stretcher to transport her body to the autopsy room.
Why
Once you're
don't we
there,
just
I'll
grab
wait
the
for their
stretcher
instructions.
before? Wait, how about
Right.
one person
Why do I grab it?
gets it while Elsie goes and gets it while me and Joseph. Well, let's tickle her feet, see if she moves, yeah? A tickle, 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 a tickle, tickle, tickle.
Oh yeah, just saying, Miles. I'm strapped, so if they move, I'm strapped. All right, you don't need to worry. I just feel a mag in them. What's
What
up?
happened to Elsie?
Elsie, you all right?
Elsie, did you go in the elevator? I don't think you're meant
Elsie?
to go in there.
Elsie? Oh. Elsie. Can't be
You
playing
scared
games.
us.
Us?
Sweet.
Scared you?
Transport her over to
Scared
the autopsy
me.
room so you can go ahead
Before
and
you
get started.
died.
Yeah. Yeah, we heard that noise before you were dead. Right, let's transport her to the autopsy room.
Sweet.
Like,
So go ahead and transport her.
that scared me then when I heard that loud bang. I thought almost your grandma died. I was like, not this early.
It was kind of like an F1 driver. Did you see it?
Oh, yeah, I remember we had to do.
Yes.
Are
Surgery, finally.
Are we allowed to show this on YouTube?
I don't know. What's gonna happen? There was mobs. Wait, there was a monster?
Well, no, that'll probably get
Oh, I should have
me
been there. I wanted to see it.
taken down.
Oh, what? What?
What's
gonna happen?
I was gonna sing a song, but then I thought it might be copyrighted.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, finally.
Alright, so before I had to run, Sheriff Berg wheeled this woman in. He had informed me that no one knew who she was, and they had no idea what could have happened to her. Well, word got to the press about our Jane Doe here, and it's kicked up a real fuss in the public. Everyone is scared of some killer or someone dumping bodies off here. Anyways, your job is to identify the cause of death or what could have led up to the event. Should be a pretty simple one. Following every step, you must take a photograph. Otherwise, you will not be able to continue. First thing you'll do is inspect her eyes. See if there's any damage or could possibly help identify when she had died. Next, you move on to her joints. Mainly the wrists and ankles because it did seem like there was some damage. Following that, you'll need to inspect her fingernails and toenails. There appeared to be some buildup, and just getting some of that sample would be amazing. After that, you might have to check her body for other damage, but you should be safe to move on to the surgical steps. After cutting her open, take a look at her lungs.
Wait, did her mouth move?
And finish with her stomach. That should be
Her
all
mouth
you need.
moved.
You have the tools and equipment necessary to complete those steps. If you get confused, refer to the board. It will list.
Wait, give me a minute. I'll just end the video and start right off where we left. Alright, give me a minute.
Take a picture before moving on, or else it could mess things up above us. Meaning paperwork and honestly, who enjoys that? So if you're ready, go ahead and start whenever. That's weird. Her eyes are clouded over, which could mean she's been dead for a few days. But I don't know. We'll just take a picture and move on to the next step.
Alright, what's happening?
I've just inspected her eyes.
Interesting. Her
What the
ankles and wrists have been fractured. That actually scratched that. They've been completely shattered. Maybe this could be caused from being tied up or bound by something extremely tight. Take a picture and see what else you can find.
Alright, I'll be taking this thing and I'll try to use it on the door. Outfit?
We could be looking at a potential human trafficking situation, which could make sense since her joints do support it, and whoever kidnapped her could have buried her. Hence the reason she has soil under her finger and toenails.
Give me a minute.
Scratch that.
There, Soccer's outfit's on.
Extremely rare unless you buy it in a nursery. Man, I haven't seen this stuff in ages. Which is odd since it's most commonly found in more northeastern states. That also doesn't add up. Clean up the finger and toenails and take a picture and we'll move on.
I don't like that sound. I really don't like it.
What, this clicking?
Yeah, the clicking thing.
Alright,
It just gives me like a weird feeling. I don't know.
Go ahead and grab the scalpel and cut her open to begin the surgical steps.
Alright. Got her open. No. Forward. I think it's not up here. Look at the scalpel.
No, we're meant to cut her chest open.
The scalpel. Let's see here.
Highlighting this and changing this somehow.
Oh, there's 3 of these things. Just perfect.
Oh, there we go.
Right, give me a minute. I'll just drop these things here.
Her lungs are almost charred. Almost as if she was burning from the inside out. Now,
Oh, Jesus.
That makes sense. Someone with this much interior damage from burns would almost be guaranteed to have tissue damage on the outside of the body. Take a picture and we'll move on. appears to have been stabbed and cut up. Seeing all this interior damage, she should most certainly be mangled on the exterior. But her body is completely clean. Take a picture
This is
and
weird
we'll go to the next step.
after my 57 years of being a doctor.
What is that? That can't be. That's Jimson weed. Jimson weed is a natural paralyzing agent, which could also explain the inflammation in her organs. The interesting thing is, Jimson weed is also found in the Northeast. Take a picture and we'll gather our evidence.
But it's weird, you know. I used to work at this old place. I don't know if you heard about it. It's called like it's Freddy's Pizzaplex or something. I don't know.
Looking at all the evidence,
Yeah, some children's restaurant. Yeah, it was a night guard there.
Cut and stabbed her.
I found well, some not that good things around.
Whoever did this wanted her to
So
suffer.
Yeah.
I'm good at just saying.
This is adding up. Try putting those pieces you found together and see what it makes.
Right.
Wait, yeah,
We have
perfect.
an A
Wait,
somewhere.
wait, what? What just happened? What just happened to our thing? Oh, there.
They're here.
I thought it was like.
So guys, the Z looking thing, that's a Y. Or is it a thing? I don't know.
And the F-looking thing. Wait, that's actually that's A. Okay. And wait. So wait, what's the one-looking thing?
That?
Like this is actually this is
Don't touch
real.
this one. Leave it. That is.
This is actually Viking. Hieroglyphic feather. That's from the Viking Age.
Right,
That's what they used to communicate.
and then
That's
that
actual Viking
is
Age
an
things.
A.
And the yeah.
Um,
No, this is a D. This is a D. I need to put it as a D. Give me a minute. What? Where's the D?
No, that's not a D.
Oh,
No, look, it's an M. And then the thing that looks
wait, no.
like an
Wait
M
a second.
is an E.
Ah, it tricked us. Nice. Nice work. Almost got me tricked there. And then, E.
L, E,
The
M.
normal M.
S-V-L-E.
That's a E, yeah.
Wait, we need to. Alright, I'm going to double check this. Cause
I'm not sure what to make of all this. You need to get the hell out of here. I'm not so sure if we should finish it off, but I know one thing is for sure. You're never leaving.
Oh.
I don't want
God damn it, this is copyrighted. I don't think it's good.
Wait, Joseph. I
I
can hear this. That means my video can hear it.
flame in your heart.
Yeah, same.
It's on voices.
In my I have but one desire.
Well, YouTube.
You should have played on Discord.
Yeah, well, at least YouTube goes ahead and checks if anything's copyrighted.
Come on, go on.
Yeah, I don't know if we can post this video now. Hopefully I can. But I may not be able to, guys.
Hello, Vecna. Let's hand up. Cut his hand off. Yeah.
Yeah, we got it.
Coffee.
Now, this is definitely the weirdest thing I have had so far in my 53 years of being a doctor. Now, guys, this is the craziest thing I've had in 23 years I've been in.
Oh, hello there.
Oh yeah, this is the thing
Yes,
I
you?
thought, isn't it?
Hello there. Hey, did y'all get the jump scare?
Office. Once you're there, find the cellar door key.
Guys, I'm gonna
It should be located in the safe on the desk. To open that safe, you must find 4 numbers around the room.
Oh, god damn it.
Might hide
Miles, get out the way. Miles,
Good luck.
Miles, out the way.
You're stuck in forever. Yeah, we
Here.
know. I just tried to scare Joseph. But it clearly didn't work.
Scare me with
He
what?
doesn't have a sense of humour.
That ain't
Now,
humor.
guys, we have to find a code.
Humor's the other thing. Ow! Hey! Oh! A second one of
4, I've
these.
got a 4.
Just perfect. 4. Wait, someone has a gun? This ain't no American school.
Go flip it back on. Bring a flashlight.
Alright.
You'll need it.
I don't know. I can't see.
Elsie, you're going out.
Oh.
Only one person can go out at once. Which is Elsie.
Yep.
While we wait, look around.
And I can't see.
See if there's anything you can grab. Like, if you can grab anything, click grab. And by the way, I've already found a book that says 4.
Alright, perfect. Can't see anything. Just grabbing all that I can.
Yeah, I'm just. I hope Elsie finds the switch. Elsie just got scared.
Get off!
Yeah.
Get away! This ain't no American school.
Sweet.
Excuse
The power's
me,
back
but
on
I'm
now.
the monster.
Try and put in that code one more time.
I didn't even
Hey.
get at the code yet.
4. Wait, the TV says 4.
So there's,
TV ain't no
so
book.
there's 2 4s.
4. Better not made up to no dumb thing. Wait, find the plant. Hey, who's opening?
Shit, you did it. Grab the key and head to the cellar door. It's time to leave this damned place.
I agree, buddy.
Guys, if the monster comes out, I look exactly like him. Yeah, maybe
Never
don't-
rip your
just
face
don't
off
go
before
back.
and
Just don't go back. Like, Pete, don't look back.
Is someone there? I heard some commotion and noticed the lights going on and off and thought I'd see if you needed help.
Yeah,
the
I
door's locked out
do.
here. Try and open it up.
Help.
Come on, open it
Yo,
up.
what's up, G?
Open it up. Open it up.
No, no, thank you. I want to stay.
up.
I want to stay.
Just open up your heart and let the sun.
Yeah, we go through it. Yeah, we're gonna go through this. Yeah, we did it. 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 We completed it.
We're definitely
No
not
emotion.
taking, and that's why we're taking the seat.
Where we are? Oh. Hey, I feel taller than ever before.
Swervo.
Not in real life. Well, I'm taller than this.
Wait, where'd Elsie go?
I don't know.
She's-
Oh, there you are.
Oh, there you are. I'm in front, because I'm the lead person.
Yeah, you're also the oldest one. Well, not in real life,
Yeah.
but in here you are.
I've
Rip
been
me
here
off.
for 53 years, and this is the weirdest crap I've ever seen.
Time to go again. Where'd it go? If you send me right back to the elevator. It said something about don't looking back. So now you really want me to, now I really want to look back. And see if anyone's behind us.
Don't even look back, because those stupid faces are there. They've made this room a
Let's
lot
see.
bigger. I think they got the entire facility and just scaled it up.
Swayze. Uh-oh.
I'm guessing that's the person that made one of the people that made the game.
Yeah, Swayze. Yeah, I don't remind me of that guy. Jane Doe Snug. Snug. Wonder if that's a word in Norwegian or something. Ipando. What does Ipando mean?
I don't
Is that
know.
something? Is that
Put
like a
in the
new kind of
comment section
panda?
if you know what any of this means.
Hello there.
Wait, what's that on her foot? Why is there a bell on her foot?
Oh. Oh, that's fun. Well, that was actually a pretty fun game. And now we're ants. Perfect.
By the way, Snug was one of the creators.
Ah. Let's see here. Who made this?
I hope you all like this video. I hope I can post it. I hope you guys had fun and watching us and me being scared a few times. But yeah, I hope you guys had a nice one and see you in the next one.